It's June 25th, 2016. I am here on the Mill B North Fork out of Big Cottonwood Canyon. And it's a pretty steep climb, and I'm just now getting to the part where it's actually getting rather shaggy as well here at this point in the season.
I didn't think I'd let anybody home, but I'm gonna make the mountain my home. I said I'm gonna make the mountain my home. There's a hill on my way, I climb every day. Wonder if they'll ever mow it down. And all I know is that my shoes are pretty plain, but they still get me around. I always felt connected with the water, how it always seems to be in the right place. Whether it's pulled from the river or falling from the sky, or just a tear streaming down my face, or just a tear streaming down my face.
It's June 26th, 2016, and I did make it to Baker Pass Spring last night, just when the light was fading. Had to pitch my tent in the half darkness. It's really nice to not have to bother with the water filter. Today I'm hoping to summit Gobbler's Knob, so we'll see how I go. Well, here I am at the top of Gobbler's Knob, finally, after a few false summits. It's 10,246 feet, so just a few feet taller than Mount Raymond behind me. Legend has it that the mining camp near where I camped last night, near Baker Springs, the miners kept a flock of turkeys there. And that is where Gobbler's Knob got its name. Gobbler's Knob is the high point between Mill Creek Canyon and Big Cottonwood Canyon here near Salt Lake City, Utah. Above and behind me there, we're looking at Mount Olympus, whereas over on this side, we're looking at Grandeur Peak. With Salt Lake City and the Great Salt Lake behind that. And panning around, we can get a peek into Alexander Basin. And that Mill Creek Canyon Crest Trail between Parley's Canyon and Mill Creek Canyon. Now coming into view is the Wasatch Crest Trail, where I was last weekend. And looking up into Big Cottonwood Canyon once again, towards Clayton Peak and Brighton and Solitude. I'm looking forward to a shorter descent today, planning to hike out of Butler Fork Trailhead and hopefully hitch a ride back down to where I started yesterday at the Mill B North Trailhead. That's all for now. See you next time.